This is INFINIX Zero 30, and today I'll show how you can screen record on this device. So, in order to start recording your display, your screen, you'll need to first launch the control panel by swiping downwards from the right half of your status bar. Here find the camera, just find the video camera icon, tap at the shortcut to enable this little thing here. And as you can see, the screen recording gets started automatically. You can pause it if you want to, or you can finish it by tapping at the square here. This little shortcut allows you to open the screen recordings folder, go into the screen recorder settings and change them, or close itself. At the screen recorder settings, you can select what sound will be recorded and what not. So you can mute or unmute both device or system sound and the microphone sound. You can set the preferred image quality. You can make taps visible or invisible, and to make it so that once you enter the screen recording, the Do Not Disturb mode will be enabled automatically. So I guess that'll be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.